There's been a lot of news in the airdrop sector, and today we're going to cover 3 massive airdrops that have all confirmed their tokens. We're going to look at when they're launching and how you can maximize your airdrop farming strategy up until the launch to make a lot of money from these airdrops. So if you enjoyed these videos, as always, like and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next down below in the comment section. But with that said, let's jump straight in to this first one, which is Parcel. Parcel has been a highly anticipated airdrop for a long time. I have talked about it in previous airdrop videos as well, but they have now confirmed their token. As you can see right here, introducing Parcel coming in April, basically in between 1 and 2 months. They did also share some tokenomics, basically saying that the token supply is 1 billion with 7 to 8% being community supply, meaning 7 to 8% will be airdropped to the community, which is a very big amount for an airdrop of this size, meaning there is a lot of money to be made right here. The Parcel token is now also pre-trading on Aevo, on the Aevo platform, at $2.20, meaning a $2.2 billion valuation with the fully diluted value of the 1 billion supply. Now this is a massive valuation, meaning that the airdrop size will be pretty massive as well, like $150 million or so being airdropped to the community at the current valuation. And if we do the math, there's like 145,000 people that have actually used Parcel and have points on Parcel. And if we do 150 million divided by 145,000 people currently farming, that's essentially $1,000 airdrop per user. But obviously the higher ranked you are on Parcel, the bigger the airdrop you will get. So if you, for example, get into the top 20,000, which is very achievable, you can probably expect a pretty decent chunk of money when this airdrop actually happens. So how can we maximize our airdrop allocation and make a lot of money from this? What I'm doing right now on, for example, one of my wallets is just providing liquidity, 280 USDC. Nothing crazy, that's a pretty normal amount, I would say, pretty achievable for a lot of people watching this video. And these $280 are getting me 1,232 points per day, which is a pretty solid amount, and that should get you up in a decent ranking pretty quickly. If we check the points right now, this wallet with 96,000 points is currently ranked 22,000 out of 153,000. So at least getting up to like the top 50,000 should be pretty achievable for most people if you do it right. You can also earn more points by actually trading on their platform, trading real estate markets, but I like it simple. I just provide liquidity. USDC, this is just USDC that you lock up for a month. So you will obviously get these USDC back. So you're not actually risking anything. You're just locking it up for a month and earning points on their platform. Now, one key thing is that entering a friend's code earns you a 5% point boost forever. So using a referral code is a great way to get 5% extra. And obviously if you use my code, I get 5% extra as well. So it's a great win-win situation for both of us to get in higher ranks quicker. And my code right here is Ragnar. So you just go to the referral section right here, type in Ragnar on the screen, and that's essentially it. That way you will make an extra 5%, which can make you quite a lot of extra money when the airdrop actually happens. So Parcel is definitely one of the most anticipated airdrops coming up. I'm super hyped, focusing a lot on it. It's probably one of the airdrops I'm focusing the most on at the current moment. Confirmed to be coming in April, so it's happening pretty soon. So if you're not farming this airdrop, I highly recommend you do so because it could be worth quite a bit of money. Now, another confirmed airdrop is ZeroLend, the leading lending market on zkSync and Manta network. They have 150,000 followers. This is another really solid one that has massive potential. You can see that they just surpassed $150 million in total market size. If we go to DeFi Llama, you can see that the total value locked on their platform is 60 million, which is a pretty solid amount for a lending platform. You can see that it has been skyrocketing recently as well, meaning they are also likely to be launching at a pretty high valuation, meaning that their airdrop could also be worth quite a lot, because I don't actually think a lot of people are farming this airdrop, which makes the opportunity even better for the few that actually are. You can see that it did raise $3 million at a $25 million valuation. This was the pre-seed round. So once it actually launches, I think it's a very high chance that this protocol will be trading at over $100 million in market cap, which means the airdrop size will be pretty decent as well. If we go on to their platform, it's pretty straightforward to actually farm this one. Just go to ZeroLend, click on claim drop, enter zero gravity, and you can see exactly how to earn points. Basically 100 points by just joining their Discord, 10 points per day that you say GM in their Discord. So pretty straightforward task. You don't actually even need any money at all to farm this airdrop. So if you're new into crypto, if you don't have a big portfolio, this is a great airdrop for you to farm. You also get 1 point per USD that you supply collateral to the lending market. By borrowing assets, you get 4 points per USD that you borrow. You also have 20% referral bonus. This will make a massive difference by just having a referral or referring other people. You get 20% bonus. So again, my referral link will be down below. I would highly appreciate it if you used it. It's a win-win situation for the both of us. So if you appreciate these videos and enjoy the content and find it valuable, it would mean the world to me if you use the referral link down below. You also earn points by being a Pyth staker, as well as in the future they will give points for following them on Twitter, staking Maha, staking Aave, and a liquidity user. So basically just go onto their platform and you can easily see how to get points. Their token is likely to launch around mid-March, so you don't actually have a ton of time. So I recommend you to get on this pretty much ASAP. You probably have a few weeks. I don't think the date is confirmed, but I have heard that it is launching pretty soon. And some more alpha is that obviously this is a lending market on CK Sync. So just by using this market, you might actually also earn points and get eligibility for the future CK Sync airdrop, which is going to be absolutely massive as well. One of the biggest airdrops in the space, most likely. If you want me to make a separate video on the CK Sync airdrop and how to farm different protocols on CK Sync, let me know down below and I will get on that ASAP. But just using ZeroLend could kill two birds with one stone by farming both ZeroLend and the CK Sync token. Now, last but not least, I wanted to quickly mention Drift because I have been hearing a lot of rumors that their airdrop is coming in April. They have not officially confirmed anything, but a lot of people have been saying that April is when Drift Protocol will do their airdrop. Another massive platform on Solana. Their token will most likely do very, very well. So again, we don't actually know if it is happening in April, but I've been hearing about it, so I just wanted to mention it here as well. Just by using their platform and trading on their platform, the higher volume, the more points you will get. There is also a referral program, so I will leave my referral link down below if you want to use that. They have also been saying that the Drift Trader Points program is ending in less than 2 months, which is another indicator that you have less than 2 months to farm this airdrop before they will do the token launch basically. And you can see that this week there was only 32,000 traders that earned points on their platform, which is not a lot of people. So a lot of people are not actually keeping up with this airdrop, meaning that if you actually put some time into this, you could get a decent chunk of money when they actually airdrop their token. Those were the 3 airdrops I wanted to talk about today. These are 3 airdrops, well, at least 2 airdrops that have confirmed launches coming up in the next couple of months, as well as Drift that is rumored to have a launch coming up in the next couple of months. But Parcel has extremely high potential, currently trading at $2 billion market cap. Obviously, it's a no-brainer to try to farm this airdrop. Same with ZeroLend. I don't think it's a lot of people actually paying a lot of attention to it. It's likely to launch at 100 million plus market cap, so a lot of potential there as well. And obviously, Drift will probably do really, really well too. So if you enjoy these airdrop videos and want more alpha like this on airdrops, do let me know by smashing the like, subscribing, and just letting me know what you want to see down below in the comment section. I am currently farming CK Sync and different protocols on CK Sync. So if you want a detailed breakdown of how to farm CK Sync airdrops, do let me know down below in the comment section and I will make sure to get on that. Again, if you enjoy these videos, smash a like, subscribe to the channel. It greatly helps me out. Also follow me over on Twitter because that's where I share a lot of this information before I'm able to do it here on YouTube. Join my Discord, join my Telegram. All the links are down below. Now with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.